Is my phone eSIM compatible? Let's find out in just a few steps. By the way, this video is brought to you by Baztel, the best eSIM provider for seamless global internet, affordable rates, and zero roaming charges. To check if your phone supports eSIM, here's what you need to do. For iPhone users, go to Settings. Tap Mobile Data or Cellular. If you see the option for Add eSIM or Add Mobile Plan, congratulations, your phone is eSIM compatible. Most iPhones from iPhone XS and newer support eSIM. And now for Android users. Open Settings. Tap Connections or Network and Internet. Look for SIM Manager or Add Carrier. If the Add eSIM option is available, you're good to go. Still unsure? Just visit Baztel.co and use our free eSIM compatibility checker. It's super quick and easy. Once you know your phone is eSIM ready, skip the physical SIM hassle. With Baztel eSIM, you can instantly activate your plan, travel to over 100 plus countries, enjoy blazing fast data, and say goodbye to roaming fees forever. Travel smart, stay connected, go digital with Baztel eSIM. Check your compatibility now and get your eSIM at Baztel.co. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.